Hi everybody, Patrick here from EscapeRoomElectronics.com, EngineeringShot.com, and PaintballProps.com. This is my latest prop. What it is it's two switch sets that can be mounted to two different walls. They are extended each from the main board via 1.5 meter cabling. So this can be mounted in one area, this can be mounted in another, so that essentially two people have to be working the prop unless they're moving back and forth. It's all depending on how you mount it. So it's very easy. Comes with an AC to DC wall adapter right here, plugs in right here. Everything comes fully assembled like this. The connectors plug back to the main board, and there's a stereo cable right here that plugs into your sound system, or in my case, computer speakers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to power it up and give you a demonstration. To start the prop, all you need to do is power it up and make sure that your stereo system is connected to the audio output right here via included stereo cable. If you don't want the audio, all you have to do is unplug it.
Game Master. Enter in your 6-digit combination and wait for further instruction.
Okay, so let's plug in this as our code. On, on, on.
Good. Now turn all switches to the off position. Remember, if your combination consisted of all 6 switches being in the off position, you will need to power off and put in a different code.
So it says that basically if you made it so that all switches were down after the calibration state that we just went through, that's an invalid code. We need to have at least one switch in the on position. So in this case I've got switch 1 in the off position, 2 in the on position, 3 in the off position, 4 in the off position, 5 in the on position, and 6 in the on position. So now to start the game, you only need to calibrate it once during power up, and then you can use it for the rest of the day using the same code, or you can change it by powering off and doing it again. So I'm going to turn them all into the off position.
Magnetic lock activated.
So the magnetic lock is connects right here. I'll be connecting it in just a moment to show you another demonstration with the magnetic lock connected to it. This set does include a magnetic lock, I just haven't connected it yet. What I'm going to do is I'm going to fiddle with the switches. Nothing happens. And the nice thing about this is once I get the correct combination, it's not just a matter of quickly changing the switches. You need to get the right combination and wait a couple seconds and keeping that same combination on there in order for the magnetic switch to deactivate. So what I'll do is I will, if I switch this to the on position, it should deactivate it, but I actually have to leave it in the on position for a few seconds.
Magnetic lock deactivated.
So at this point, the magnetic lock has deactivated. You can open a door or a hidden compartment or a little safe or cabinet. And in order to reset the game, keeping the same code in memory, I just have to place them all in the off position. You'll hear the relay click back on, or off rather. Now it waits for the same combination.
Magnetic lock deactivated.
And again, once I turn all of them to the off position, the magnetic lock will re-engage. There's the relay click. So now let me show you the electromagnetic lock. It will come connected via a 1.5 meter cable, so that you can not only extend these bad boys, but the electromagnetic lock. Okay, so we're still using the same code. Magnetic lock comes connected with a 1.5 meter cable connects to the terminal on the board. So
magnetic lock deactivated.
in order to go back, what I do is I turn off all switches into the off position, and you will hear the relay click back on. And again, to deactivate it again, I'm using the same code.
Magnetic lock deactivated.
So there you have it. Very, very simple, but easy to use, and you can use more than one player for this prop. As you can see, there are very long cables mounted, sorry about the lighting, very long cables connecting back to the main board. When you receive this prop, you'll receive everything fully assembled as you see it here. You can mount these to 2 different walls. There will be a video in the listing, which is linked below, showing you how to put together and mount your electromagnetic lock set, which comes with mounting hardware, electromagnetic lock, and bracket. So if you haven't already, check us out at escaperoomelectronics.com, and thanks for watching, everyone.